Oh.
Okay, I'm just stopping real quick. This is Gary Chapman, who's stuck on the hill. He is Dave Chapman's dad, who's riding with us, and he is 78 years old. So I'm going to go back and give him a little help real quick, and then we'll get back on the trail.
Can you get it?
I don't know.
First gear. This is Gary. He's 70, 76, 77 years old. So, you dug yourself in a little bit. Let's just, hold on. Are you in neutral?
No.
I'll put it in neutral real quick. I'll just get you up a little bit. I got it.
You got it?
Yep.
What are you gonna do?
Neutral.
Right.
Now let's push it up just a tad bit.
Hold on. Get myself. Okay, ready?
Yep. Okay, yeah.
Let me see how this is a little. Go ahead, I'm going to clean this out a little bit.
Alright, Saturday morning, here we go. We got Hero Dirt. And we're on Tomahawk C, which I've only ridden once, so don't remember it at all. But we rode all day yesterday, so the plan is we're gonna do about 30 miles of C Loop, hop off it, back to the trailhead, and then we're gonna run an A loop because none of us have ever done that either. So yeah, get my foot wet already. A ride wouldn't be a ride without getting your Alpine Tech 7s wet.
Alright, so you guys just heard me say in the beginning, we are on Tomahawk C, and this was day 2 of a riding trip we did. The day before we had done like 60 some miles, but today the plan was to do Tomahawk C, which I haven't ridden in years and I've only ridden it once, and we did 30 miles of Tomahawk C. We cut off 10 miles of it, and then we took the roads and hopped on Tomahawk A because none of us have never ridden A before. That's a 50-inch trail. So in this video it's kind of on the long side, but I'll leave you a few more minutes of Tomahawk C, which is a fantastic single track. Love this trail. And then we get into, so we do the 30 miles, go back to the truck, top off our fuel, get some snacks, and then we take the dirt roads to Tomahawk A, which is a 50-inch trail. And I'm not sure the mileage we rode on Tomahawk A, but we did a good chunk of it. I mean, we did some big sections. And then actually the MCCCT runs and kind of intertwines with Tomahawk A, so we hopped on that for quite a while, and I'll probably hop back in here later on in the video and kind of describe what I'm seeing there. But wow, that single track, the MCCCT, virtually looks like it's untouched. I mean, it hadn't been ridden probably since last year for sure. So really cool. We ended up with I think close to 60 miles again on this day, but yeah, I'll let you guys watch the footage and a few more minutes of C, and then I'll hop into A and maybe hop back in and kind of describe a little more about what we rode that day. And okay, so I'll be back in a minute.
Trail is so good. This bike is so good. This bike is made for this trail, baby. Coming up behind Mike. Trying to get a little video of them on C Loop. Nasty little route. Like that twisty downhill on B too. We're gonna just do a couple sections of this A loop and then head back. And I've never done A, so
and as you heard me say, we're on A loop now, and this 50-inch, I mean, looks like it's virtually untouched, but understanding why, because you have Tomahawk B and C loops right in the area, which are pristine single track, and obviously most people come up here to this area to ride B and C, so kind of understandable why A is kind of untouched, but not much to the trail. It's fast. There's a little bit of hard pack, a little bit of sand, no whoops, no features really that stand out about it. It's just okay to ride. And then so we'll ride a few sections of this, and then you'll see us kind of hop on the MCCCT, and that kind of, you can kind of hop off A and then get on that MCCCT and kind of hop back and forth if you want to. So that's kind of what we did for the last part of this video. And I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but when we get on the single track of the MCCCT, it was extremely tight, which is great, but nobody ever rides it, and it's pretty evident. I don't know if that will really come through on the video, but yeah, I'll just let you guys watch the rest, and thanks for watching.
50-inch kings, I'll let them go. It's the most dust we've had all weekend. Oh, wow. So, if I had to describe it to somebody, what's A like? Because I know they're going to ask. I mean, so far it's fairly flat so far. Some sand, some hardtack, but I'm assuming, I mean, I can tell by the condition of the trailers, not really any whoops or anything, you know. This is probably rarely gets ridden when you got B and C in the area. Not too many guys are gonna want to come ride a 50-inch when you got B and C, which are a couple of the best trails around. Especially, like I said, I'm not shitting on A, but there's just, so far there's nothing cool about it. So we rode a couple sections. We're gonna hop on this MCCCT, double back, catch A again to where we came in off the roads, and then head back to the trucks.
You good?
Yeah. Going this way. A little bit of A we rode, you know, if you're up here and you got time to kill and you want to knock out another trail, or you're maybe just a fan of 50-inch, I don't know, A is what it is. It's pretty flat from the sections that we rode. It's not whooped out, so it definitely doesn't get much traffic. And yeah, I don't know. To me, it's not bad. It's just after riding B and C and all the stuff we've rode the last few days, it's kind of on the boring side. Looking back to see where Gary is, he was right behind me. A little sneaky guy. Okay, so this is part of the single track MCCCT that we're gonna, this will double back right into a piece of the A loop, which is right here. Now we're on the single track again. I thought we were taking A all the way back, but I guess not. Oh, where's the trail? Now this does not get touched. This looks like no one's even been through here since last year. Oh. Careful through here too. All this leaf cover, you cannot see all the shitties hanging out on the side of the trail, middle of the trail. Oh yeah, there's lots of roots sticking out the sides. No, I was gonna say this is literally untouched for a long time.
Get off this one. I'm fine.
Oh, I mean it's cool. Okay. Whatever. I was just saying, like, you got to be careful with these leaves.
Yeah,
you don't
under them. We got 2 miles of this. Hopefully my dad followed us. I think he did.
Yeah, he did. I made sure. But when we got back on this, I was like,
this has not been ridden probably
since last year at least.
All right, we'll keep going. We get a little dicey.
There he is. I'm sure you're gonna hear me say it in many of the other video clips, but today it's Dave, Mike, and Dave's dad, which is behind me, Gary, and he is 70. I keep forgetting his age, but he's up there. He's like, I want to say like 76 or 77, something like that. Dude's just hardcore, riding with us all day. I only dream to be riding when I'm, well, I should say I hope to be riding still when I'm his age. That guy is a trooper, man. Mushroom pickers. Look up and you got some, I forgot it's mushroom season.